In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Miro account. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. This means your personal profile, along with any boards and content that you personally own, will be removed and can't be restored later. If there's anything you might need in the future, such as important boards, exports, or screenshots, take a moment to back those up before you continue. First, make sure you're logged into Miro in a web browser rather than relying on a desktop or mobile app alone. Some account settings are easier to access and manage in the browser. Open your browser and go to your Miro dashboard, where you can see your boards and any teams you're part of. Once you're on the dashboard, look for your profile icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. It might show your initials or a profile picture. Click that icon to open your profile menu. From this menu, you'll see various options related to your account and settings. Next, navigate to your profile settings. The wording may be something like profile settings or account settings, but you're looking for the area where your personal account details are managed, not just team settings. Click into that section so you're on the page that controls your personal profile information. On this settings page, scroll until you find the option labeled Delete My Profile or something very close to that. This is the control that starts the account deletion process. Before you click it, pause and double-check that you really want to remove your account and that you've already saved anything important. When you're sure, click Delete My Profile. Miro will not delete your account immediately. Instead, they'll send a confirmation email to the address associated with your account. This extra step is there to protect you in case the button was clicked by mistake or by someone else using your device. Now go to your email inbox and look for the message from Miro about deleting your profile. Open that email and follow the instructions inside, usually by clicking a confirmation link. Once you confirm via email, your Miro account and the boards you own will be permanently deleted, and that's it. By following these steps in your browser, you can fully remove your Miro account in a safe and controlled way.